Welcome to FoneDog's channel. We are here to help you solve your mobile phone problems. In this video, you will learn how to use FoneDog Android data extraction to extract data from a broken phone. Step 1. Launch FoneDog Toolkit. Click Broken Android Data Extraction and connect your Android phone to the software. Step 2. Select the type that suits your situation and click Start. Step 3. Select your phone device and model. Step 4. Enter download mode and download recovery package. Step 5. Scan, preview and restore data from broken Samsung mobile phones. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, come to FoneDog. We are very pleased to help you out.